A friend of mine bought a few of these petty cabs, and he had an accident with this one. Then he asked me to fix it, and I did some work on it, and it's a lot of work actually. And then he gave it to me, and then I said, while I was looking at it, I have my Hardwood Garage YouTube channel that I don't know how the marketing works, but I decided, why not use this? I live in Venice Beach, and put some decals on the side and go cruising, and hopefully there's more people come and see my Hardwood Garage channel on YouTube. And it didn't really cost me anything, so why don't we give it a try, see what happens. Give it some free cabs, free taxi on the beach. And this is all, it's a pedicab with electric motors that it's just like supposedly these last 15-20 miles an hour for 8 hours. And they're really nice to take off or to pull out and recharge. So tomorrow we're gonna go for a little ride on Venice Beach. Hopefully there's a lot of people out there.